Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're studying lesson number 18. Today is the fourth session of this lesson. We're gonna study today al-lugwiyat, the linguistics. كيف ننفي الفعل في اللغة العربية? How we negate a verb in the Arabic language. لنفي الفعل في اللغة العربية نستخدم. To negate a verb in the Arabic language, we use la. We use la ma'al fail al mudare marfu with the fail mudare in the marfu form. Li nafi al faili to negate the verb mutlakan aw halan. So mutlakan is absolutely or generally speaking. Like when we say La yakzibul muminu, a believer does not lie. So this is like a general truth. So we use la and the fail mudare in the marfu form. Aw halan means presently. Like here are two examples that explain this mutlakan or halan. La yazhabul atfalu ilal jamiati. The kids, they don't go to the university. So this is mutlakan. This is an absolute truth that the atfal, they don't go to the university. So we're using la with the verb in the marfu form. Next one is la ashrabu shayan al ana. I don't drink tea al ana now. So this is to explains halan mean presently or now. Mean presently I'm not drinking tea. And we use la with fail mudare in the marfu form. We use lam with the fail mudare in the majzoom form. And this li nafi al faili fil madi, that negates the verb in the past tense. So here are examples. Lam ushahid filman fi televizioni munzu shahrin. I didn't watch a movie in the TV since a month. So lam is the particle that makes fail mudare majzoom. So the verb here is shahada yushahidu for ana ushahidu, and lam is making it ushahid. Similarly, lam yaktub kamalun al wajiba fagazib al mudarrisu minhu. Kamal, he did not write his homework. He didn't write the homework. Fagaziba, so the teacher got mad, got angry on him. So lam says kataba yaktubu, lam making it majzoom, yaktub. So here we are negating the present tense using lam in the past tense. Lan, and we use lan ma'al fail al mudare mansub. That makes fail mudare mansub li nafi al faili fil mustaqbili, and we use this particle to negate the verb in the future. Here are a couple of examples. Lam azhaba ila amali, I will not go to my work gaddan tomorrow li annani maridun, because I am sick. So lan is making zahaba yazhabu for ana azhabu, and lan is making it azhaba mansub. Lan usafira hazal ama, I will not travel this year. So here the verb is safara yusafiru for ana usafiru, and lan is the particle which is negating, and this is the particle that makes the fail mudare mansub. So we see usafira. Lakinnana, but we kad nastakhdimu ma, so we also use ma'al fail al madi with the past tense fail madi li nafi al faili katiyan to negate the verb katiyan, categorically or decisively. So if we have to make a categorical statement, a decisive statement that that didn't happen, so we use then ma. So here is an example. Ma sharibtul khamra kattu, I didn't drink khamr, or I didn't drink kattu at all. So kattu here is adverb used to strengthen katta, to strengthen the negation. I absolutely didn't drink. So that means lam ashribil khamra fi hayati. I didn't drink khamr, intoxicants, fi hayati, in my life, abadan, ever. Walam yakun mumkinan an ashraba, and also this is not possible to drink. Uh, I mean, even so, there is an absolute denial that I never drank khamr in my life, and possibly I will not drink. وقد نستخدم ما مع الفعل المضارع, and we may use ma with fail mudare لنفي الفعل قطعيا, to negate the verb. قطعيا means absolutely or categorically, أو لنفي الإمكانية الفعل, or to negate the possibility of the verb. Like for example, if we say أنا ما أفهم اللغة الصينية, that I don't understand the Chinese language, so is like saying أنا لا أقدر أن أفهم اللغة الصينية, that I am absolutely not able to understand the Chinese language. Or we can say to negate the possibility, or also there is no possibility that I'm gonna understand the Chinese language. So this is negating decisively or categorically. So like if we say ana la afhamu kalamaka, if we use la instead of ma, then the possibility is that I don't understand it now. Yumkinu an afhama fi waqtin akhara, that I might understand some other time, or the statement is not clear. So when we're using la, that is not a categorical denial. That is we are saying like at this time I don't understand, because the kalam, the statement is not very clear, but there may be a possibility that some other time I would understand it. So this is the difference between ma and la. Ma is categorically denying and refuting the possibility of this action, whereas la is just denying it in present, and there is a possibility to have that action some other time. Okay, so that was about the negation. Now we gonna do the exercises. At-tadribat. Question number 1. Ma hiya al-hawaziru salasu ra'isiyatu fil hazaratil arabiyyati. What are the 3 capital cities of the Arab civilization? We studied in the main lesson that the 3 main cities, capital cities, were Dimashq, Baghdad and Cairo. Mata asbahat Dimashqu asimat al-khilafati al-arabiyyati. When Damascus became the capital of the Arabic Khilafah. When did it become the Arabic world's capital? So we can say asbahat Dimashqu asimat al-khilafat al-arabiyyati. Damascus became the capital city of the Arab Caliphate fi ahdil Umayyina bi Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan, in the era of Umayyad era, starting from Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan, which was the first caliph. Masmul Marakat allati dakhala ba'daha al-Muslimuna Dimashqa. What was that battle that after which the Muslims they entered Damascus? We know that was the battle of Yarmouk, Marakatul Yarmouk. Maza talab al-Khalifatu Umaru min al-Muslimina. What the Caliph Umar, he asked or he demanded from the Muslims after they captured. So what he expected, what he asked from them. Talaba, he asked or he demanded an yuhafiz al muslimuna ala qalna'isiha wa an yu'amilu bil adl. He wanted that the Muslims should take care, should protect their churches and deal with them with justice. Mahiya Gotatud Dimashka. What is that Gotatud Dimashq? What is, and we studied that. Hiya Basatino Kasiratun ala Nahri Barda al Muhitu bi Madinati Dimashq. These are the many orchards on the river Barda that surround the Damascus city. So they are called Gotatud Dimashq. Li Dimashqa Asmaun Muta'addadatun. There are many names for Damascus. Fama hiya, what are those? What are these ones? So we studied two names, Al-Fehau or Ar-Rumanu. Al-Fehau means Wasiyatun, spacious. Ar-Rumanu means Nurush Sharki, light of the east. Mata faqadat Dimashqul Fanuna was Sana'ata wal Hadaika wal Basatina. When that was like faqadat means diminished or destroyed, or when that happened, that the Fanun, art, industry, gardens and the orchards, when they were reduced or removed or destroyed. So we know that happened. Bada istallahat Turku, after the Usmani they entered. So after they captured Damascus, then faqadat Dimashqu al Fanuna was Sana'ata wal Hadaika. So this happened after the Usmaniyun, after they captured Damascus. After Turks they entered Damascus. The unwanan akhara lin nasi, put another, if we have to give another name or another unwan to this lesson, then what it could be, I would say, we can say Tarikhu Dimashqa, the history of Damascus. We can give any name. Question number 2, Aswalusani Akmil, complete. So we have to, there are some missing words. We have to complete the sentence, filling the blanks. Zallat Dimashqu tahta hukm Romani. We know the Damascus remained under the Roman rule for 7 centuries. So we can say Sab'amiyati Sanatin Takriban, about 700 years. The Sallama Mafatih al Baitul Maqdis, who received the keys of the Baitul Maqdis? We know the Caliph, Al-Caliph Umar, he received the keys of the Baitul Maqdis. Bada Ahdul Umayyina bi, the Umayyad era, it began from bi Muawiyata bin Abi Sufyan. Summiyat Dimashqu bil Fayhai li, the Damascus was called Fayha because of li kasrati duriha wa ahyaiha, because of the abundance of the houses and the neighborhood. Min ahammi shurai dawlatil umayyati, one from the among the most important poets of the Umayyad state were, in the lesson we studied Frazdaku, Al-Frazdaku, but there were also Jariru and Al-Akhtalu. Question number 3, Aswalu Salis, Ghayyir ila Nafi, change to Nafi, make a negation. So these sentences are given in the present tense. Could be question number 3, Aswalul Salisu, Ghayyir ila Nafi, make a negation. So there are some sentences given. We have to negate them using la or ma or lan or lam. The first one is zahabtu ila siddiqi amsi. I went to my friend yesterday. Now I'm gonna say I didn't go to my friend yesterday. So what we gonna use here? Nastakhdimu ma mal fail al madi. So we just studied that we use ma with the past tense linafil faili katiyan. So when I'm gonna say I didn't go to my friend, means I'm absolutely denying it, that there is no way it happened. So we're gonna use ma here. Ma zahabtu ila sadiqi amsi. Sa'aktubul wajiba gadan. I will write the homework tomorrow. So now I'm gonna say I will not write the homework tomorrow. So what we're gonna use here? نستخدم لن مع الفعل المضارع المنصوب لنفي الفعل في المستقبل. So we use لن to with the فعل مضارع منصوب. We have to make it منصوب to negate the verb in future. So we are negating it in future. So I'm gonna say لن أكتب الواجب غدا. I will not write the homework tomorrow. Next one is أشاهد فيلما كل يوم. I watch a movie every day. Now I'm gonna say I don't watch a movie every day. So what we gonna use? نستخدم لا مع الفعل المضارع مرفوع لنفي الفعل مطلقا أو حالا. So if I'm gonna say that absolutely I don't watch movie every day, or I'm gonna say that presently I'm not watching every day. So then we can use la, and in the rafa form won't change. It's gonna stay ushahidu. So we can say la ushahidu filman kulla yawmin. Uhibbu an ashraba kasiran min al kahwati. I love to drink coffee a lot. Now I'm gonna say I don't love drinking coffee a lot. So nastakhdimu la mal fi'l mudari marfi nafi al fi'l halan. So again we can use la here, assuming that we are saying that presently I don't love drinking a lot from the coffee. Or we can also say absolutely I don't like drinking coffee a lot. So we can use la uhibbu. La won't make any change on the form, verb form. Now again zahabtu ila Alaska. I went to Alaska. Now I'm gonna say I didn't go to Alaska. So just like the first one, we can say ma zahabtu ila Alaska. I didn't go to Alaska. Sa'adrusul lugatal atiniyata inshallah. I will study the Latin language inshallah. Now I'm gonna say I won't study Latin language. So we can use if we're gonna say that make an absolute denial, that to deny the possibility of happening, then we can use mal fi'l mudari linafi al fi'li katiyan or linafi imkaniyat al fi'li. So if we are not gonna study, if I'm not gonna study Latin language absolutely, then we can say ma. We can use ma. Ma drusul lugat al atiniyata. And yanamu tiflu fi gurfati ummihi. A child is sleeping in his mom's room. So I'm gonna say the child is not sleeping, or child does not sleep in the mom's room. So what we can do? نستخدم لا مع الفعل مضارع مرفوع لنفي الفعل مطلقا وحالا. So it depends. We can use la or ma also, but la is negating it absolutely or presently, and if we use ma, then that means we're making a statement that the children, they don't sleep in the mother's room, but they may sleep. So the best answer here is la, that the child is not sleeping presently. Question number 4, Aswalu Rabe, Ma sabab adme tanween. What is the reason that there is no tanween? So in these sentences there is no tanween. We have to identify the reason of that. Here is an example. مرت الحضارة العربية بمراحل مختلفة. The Arab civilization passed through many stages. And we know marahala is the diptote, or that does not decline. So the reason is Sigatu Muntahal Jumui. This is we studied that the ultimate plural form. So these are the 5 letters, Marahal, and the middle one is Alif. So the reason is that there is no tanween, because is Sigatu Muntahal Jumui is the ultimate plural form. Rakiba Umaru Bairan, why there is no tanween here? On Umar. Umar, he rode Bair, a camel. So Umar is on the pattern of Fualu. So it won't take a tanween. Wabiskuti Dimashka Sakatat Mudnu Shami. With the fall of Damascus, the cities, Mudnu Sham, the countries of the Syria, the Sham, the Levant, they also fell. So in Dimashqa there is no tanween because it's a feminine name. So this is the correct answer. Ihtamma bistiqraril hukmi wa waza qawanin al muamilati. So istiqraril hukmi is the political stability, and qawanin al muamila means the civil laws. So he ensured this talking about some caliph, he ensured or he preferred the political stability, and he waza, and he established civil laws, qawanin al muamala. So why there is no tanween on here again is because it's Muntahal Jumui is the ultimate plural form. So this was the example with the 5 letters. This is the example with the 6 letters. With the 6 letters, the third letter is Alif and the second last is Ya. So the correct answer is Muntahal Jumui. At-Tarikhul Arabiyyu Mal'anu bil Mudn al-Kubra. The Arab history is full of big cities. So Mal'anu is not taking tanween because is on the pattern of Sifatun ala wazni Fa'lanu, is on the pattern of Fa'lanu. Wataganna fiha shurau kasiruna, and many poets, they were singing in it, I mean in that state, so shurau is not taking a tanween because is ismun mamdudun lil jami. We have studied that if there is an alif and hamza, additional alif and hamza, not part of the root letter, then it is diptote. It won't take tanween. Then is mamnu minat tanween. So mamdud lil jami means extended nouns for plural. This usually follows 2 patterns for lau, like shurau, ulamau, umarau, or they also follow this pattern. Afilau, like astikau, akribau, agniyau, they all mamnu minas sarf. They don't take a tanween. Bada ahdul umawiyina bi muawiyata. Umayyad era began with Muawiyah. So Muawiyah is not taking tanween because also is the kasra is with the harf of jar is fatah, because is mamnu minas sarf, and it's because is alamun muannas is the proper noun, like a feminine name ending with the ta marbuta. Lam tarif ad-dawlatul umawiyyatu adala minhu. Umayyad state didn't know anyone more just than him. So adala is not taking tanween because it's sifatun ala wazni afala. This is called this is ismu tafdil, which they are mamnu minas sarf. Wa akhtamma yazidu bin muawiyata bil qazail khusumihi. Yazid bin Muawiyah, he made sure of the elimination of his opponents. So Yazidu is the name. It won't take tanween. It's mamnu min as-sarf because it looks like a verb. Zada yazidu. So is alamun ala wazni fail is on the pattern of the verb fail. Next question. Aswalul khamisu. Fifth question. Al failul madare mansuban huna limaza. So the fail madare in these examples, in these sentences, is mansub. We have to identify the reason. Here is an example. Zurha fatarifa annaha jannatullahi. Visit it and then you would know that it is the paradise of Allah. So we know because is mansub because it's coming after fa sababiyya, and we have studied that after that fa sababiyya it makes fail mudare mansub. Izhab ilayha kay tushahida masajidaha. Visit, go to this place, go there, and so that you watch its mosques. So it's talking about the Damascus. So tushahida is mansub because of kay. This is the particle which is making it mansub. Sa'uzakiru kasiran. Sa'uzakiru kasiran wa ahtamu biwajibi hatta anjaha. I will study a lot and I will ensure, or I will make it possible to be wajibi, to do my homework hatta, until anjaha, I succeed. So anjaha is mansub because of hatta. Talaba an yuhafizul muslimuna ala kana'isiha. He demanded from Muslims to guard, to take care of their churches. So yuhafiza is a mansub. Hafaza yuhafizu is mansub because of an, the particle an, which making it mansub. Wa an yuamilu ahlaha bil adli, and to deal with their families with justice. So yuamilu is not is mansub by removing noon because of an. An is making it mansub. So this is yuamilu is the mansub form of yuamiluna. And this is the one afalul khamsa, those 5 special nouns, special verbs which are made mansub or majzoom by removing noon. Liyuwassiya araziyat dawlati, to expand the land of the state. So because of li, this is mansub. And this is called alamut talil tani likai, which means lakai, so that. Question number 6. Dail harakata ala harfil akhiri min al fail al mudare. So we have to identify what could be the ending of the present tense. Either it's going to be marfu, mansub, or majzoom. Here is an example. Fal nakif huna indal hawazir salasir raisiyati. So let's stop here in near the 3 capital cities. So because of fa is, it should be nakif. The ending is nakif. Okay, yatamayyaz. So this verb is tamayyaza yatamayyazu. So there is nothing coming before. So we're gonna do. It's gonna be marfu. Yatamayyazu Umaru bin Abdul Aziz bil adli. Umar Abdul Aziz is distinguished because of his justice. Lam. Now this particle lam is coming. So it's gonna be tarif. Lam is the particle which makes fail madare majzoom. So lam tarif. Adolatul umwiyatu adla minhu. The Umayyad state did not know more just than him. So this verb is tamayyaza yatamayyazu, to distinguish, is on the pattern of tafa'ala yatafa'alu. La. So la, this is this should make it majzoom because this is la nahiya. La tas'al, don't even ask anil fanuni, about the art was sanaati indama yata. So this is ikhtalla yakhtallu. Ikhtalla yakhtallu means to capture, and it's like on the pattern of iftala yaftailu. So this gonna yahtallu, there is no need to make it mansoob or majzoom. So when the Usmani, when the Turks they entered, they captured the country, then you don't even ask what happened about the art, culture, art and industry. So this is majzoom. This won't change. This is marfu form. La tas'al, this is majzoom. This is gonna have a sukoon. Lan tarifa, so lan is the particle which makes it mansoob. Dimashqa, you won't know Damascus hatta takra. This also present tense kara yakra. Hatta will make it mansoob takra. Tariqaha summa tazuraha. Summa is harfu atfin, so is gonna tazuraha is gonna also mansoob. So you won't know Damascus until you read its history and you visit it. So this is mansoob. This is mansoob. This is majzoom. This is also mansoob. Lan tarifa. Innahu la yarifu Dimashqa. You won't know Damascus. Fahuwa lam yakra'a tariqaha. Because you didn't study its history, so you won't know Damascus. So la is negating the present tense. La does not do anything. It's just a negation. La nafiya. But lam is the particle that makes fi'l mudare majzoom. So this is the ending is already marked in this case here also, and this is also marked here. Lam taslam Dimashq min at-takhribi wa tadmiri. Damascus was not spared from takhrib and tadmir, from sabotage and destruction. So lam will make fi'l mudare majzoom. Taslam. So this should be sukoon. Question number 7. Aswalul sabiu. Aina kalimatu sahi. Where is the correct word? Lan tanjaha. You will not succeed. Hatta tuzakira. Hatta should make it mansoob. So tuzakira is the correct word. Until you study. Takhtaju darasatu ila. The study needs or dependent on ila kararisa kasiratin, on many notebooks. So the study needs many notebooks. So kararisa, this ila is mansoob, is not majroor because it's diptot mamnu min as-sarf and is on the pattern of mafa'ila. Mamnu min as-sarf li'annaha ala wazni mafa'ila. Sharibul kuba kullahu faqad kana atashana. He drank the whole cup. Kullahu. Kulla is emphasis on al-kuba, so is kullahu, as he was thirsty. So atshana. So kana, ismu kana is hidden here, and then this is khabru kana. Khabru kana is mansoob. And atshana is not atshanan. Atshana is mamnu min as-sarf ala wazni falanu. This on the pattern of falanu. Intala al-makanu, the place is full with the shura and kutabin, and the writers. So shura, it won't be because shura is diptot, is mamnu min as-sarf, so we can't use shura'i or shura'in. And this is mamnu min as-sarf because it's on the pattern of folau, which has additional alif and hamza, which is not part of the root letters. Nakra kai nata'allama. Kai is the particle which should make fi'l mudari mansoob. So this is not mansoob. This is not. So nata'allama is the correct one. We read so that we learn. Ikra hatta tarifa. Read until, or so until you know. So hatta is another particle which makes fail mudari mansoob. So this is the correct one. Question number 8. Uktubil afal al atiyata ma damair. So we have to write this present tense, which is majzoom because of lam here. So we have to write with all the pronouns. So this lam is lamu amr, means let or must. So huwa liyasjud, huma liyasjuda, hum liyasjudu, hiya litasjud, huma litasjuda, hunna liyasjudna, anta litasjud, antuma litasjuda, antum litasjudu, anti litasjudi, antuma litasjuda, antunna litasjudna, ana li asjud, and nahnu li nasjud. So this li is making fail mudare majzoom. So now we have all the fail mudare with all the pronouns in the majzoom form. Liyasjud, let him prostrate. Huma liyasjuda, let both of them prostrate. Hum liyasjudu, let all of them prostrate. Hiya litasjud, let her prostrate. Huma litasjuda, let both of the feminine prostrate. Hunna liyasjudna, let all of the feminine prostrate. Anta litasjud, you shall prostrate. Antuma litasjuda, both of you shall prostrate. Antum litasjudu, all of you men shall prostrate. Anti litasjudi, you feminine shall prostrate. Antuma litasjudu, you both feminine shall prostrate. And antunna litasjudna, you all feminine shall prostrate. And ana li asjud, let me prostrate or I must prostrate. Nahnu li nasjud, let us prostrate. So that was litasjud. And then lan yusallima ilayha, he will not greet her. So here is, we have the particle lan. So we have gonna use this yusallim, because this makes fail mudari mansoob. So we're gonna have the fail mudari mansoob with all the verb forms, with all the pronouns. Huwa lan yusallima, he will not greet. Huma lan yusallima, removing noon, both of them masculine will not greet. Hum lan yusallimu, they all masculine will not greet. Hiya lan tusallima, she will not greet. Huma lan tusallima, both of the feminine will not greet. Hunna lan tusallimna, they all feminine will not greet. Anta lan tusallima, you masculine will not greet. Antuma lan tusallima, both of you masculine will not greet. Antum lan tusallimu, you all masculine will not greet. Anti lan tusallimi, you feminine will not greet. Antuma lan tusallima, you both feminine will not greet. Antunna lan tusallimna, you all feminine will not greet. Ana lan usallima, I will not greet. Nahnu lan usallima, we will not greet. So this is with the all the verb forms. Ilayha we can add after. Aswalu tasiu, question number 9. Arib, we have to put Arab here. Lam yazhabu ila bayti Fatima, they didn't go to the house of Fatima. So lam is harfun nafin wa jazmin mabni ala sukun, has a sukun. Yazhabu, so lam is the particle which makes fail mudare majzoom. So noon is removed here. Failun madariun majzoomun walamatu jazmihi hazfi noon liannahu min al af'al al khamsa. These are the 5 verbs, one of the 5 verbs. Ila harfu jarin mabni ila sukun, baytini ism majrurun bi ila walamatul jarri al kasra wa huwa mudaf. And Fatima ta is not Fatimati because it's mudaf al majrur walamatul jarri al fata, because the liannahu mamnu min as sarf, because it's the feminine name and is won't take tanween and also won't take kasra. So the lamatu jari is fata liannahu mamnu min as-sarf. Question number 10. Sil, we have to connect alif with ba and with jim. So we have to connect, actually make a double connection here. Ihtamma bi waz'i qawanini al-mu'amalatu, he ensured or to implement the civil laws. So this black one is that is already given. Lam tarif al-hizaratu adal. Lam tarif al-hizaratu adala minhu. The civilization did not know more just than him. So this is the correct connection. Lan tarifa. So the lam is making it majzoom, and this one making it mansoob. Lan tarifa hatta takra. You will not know until you read. Zurha fatarifa annaha jannatullahi fil ardi. So visit it, then you will know that this is the paradise of Allah on the earth. Al-Ghawta is the basatinu kasiratun, many orchards, ala nahri barda, on the river Barda. So that is the end of this lesson. Question number 11 is the dialogue. I am skipping it. So that is the end of this lesson, and from next time we gonna start lesson number 19 inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.